everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to change region in Mobile Legends. Let's start by opening the Mobile Legends app. Now in the main tab of the game, look for the leaderboards icon on the screen or the bar chart icon. Now in here, you can see the ranks of other players as well as your current rank. Next, go over to the Heroes section. Then look for the location you have, which is located at the top. Tap on that one. Then it will ask you for a prompt to allow it to access your location. Simply allow it by selecting the OK button. After doing that, it will scan your location. Just wait for it to finish scanning. Now if you want to change the location or region you have, then you need to download a VPN, then open it first, and choose the region that you want before doing the process that I have shown.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.